Okay, guys, this is literally my favorite thing to teach the entire year because it's drawing and I love to draw. And I love teaching kids how to draw 3D figures. It's so much fun. But alas, here we are at home. So I'm going to offer it as extra credit. A lot of you can draw 3D figures because you know how to do the little trick where you draw a square, then another square, then connect the lines. But I'm going to show you how to do it without that. So this is why we have our graph paper, just in case we weren't going to be back to school in time. And surprise, we're not. So first thing I want you to do is you're going to make some dots, teeny dots on the graph paper, skipping lines. So like you're going to put a dot and then you're going to skip a line and then put a dot next to it and then skip a line and make a dot and you're going to go across the page. Okay? Now, your next row, you're not going to write on because we're skipping lines. The next row you are, but you're not going to put a dot in line with the first dot. You're going to put a dot in between. Okay? Skip a line. Okay? So it should look like this. Okay? Next row, again, you're going to skip a line and you're going to line it back up with your first row. I want you to do this maybe 4 or 5 times. So I'm going to pause the video, give you time to do it, and I'm going to do it too. Okay, so now we have all of our dots. And now we're going to play, like when you were little, we're going to play a form of connect the dots, all right? So you're not going to connect the dots right next to each other. They're going to skip lines just like we just did. So you're going to start not at the very top. You're going to start a little bit further down, like right here. And we're going to draw a line connecting this dot to the one beneath it. Okay? Then we're going to make this into a square. So we're going to cross over a couple lines, dots here, go down, and cross over here. Okay, if I'm going too fast, pause the video, do what I'm doing, and then restart it, okay? Once you have your square, at the corner, outside corners of your square, you're going to use these dots as a guide and connect the dots. All right, so you're going to draw a line from this dot to this dot. And at this corner, a line from this dot to this dot. You're going to do the same for this corner. Once you draw the lines, always going in the same direction, you're going to connect the ends. And now you have a box. Now, depending on which way you want to draw the 3D box coming at you or the 3D prism coming at you is the way you draw the little lines coming off the edges. So let's draw another one. Let's make it, I'm going to make it a little bit longer, so I'm going to draw connect right here. Okay. All right. So let's say we don't want the box to have the edges to look like it's coming from this direction. We want to make it look like it's coming from this direction, okay? So we're going to draw the lines off of the edges in this direction, as long as all the lines are going in the same direction. So now, are we going to draw a line over here? No, because that would be the inside of the box. So we just want to see the outside of the box. So you have our lines drawn, we're going to connect them. And then we have a nice rectangular prism. Okay? You don't have to draw this one, but I'm going to show you really quickly. If you want to draw a box that looks like it's coming up, you're going to have the lines going this way. So let's just do really quickly. Okay? So now you're going to draw the lines coming this way. Okay? And that's how you use the dots on the graph paper. My next video will show you without the dots and how to draw the rectangular prisms and even maybe some more cool polygon shapes on just regular graph paper, and then you can take that and move to regular paper.